Hello everyone. Guys, my name is Amit Kumar Singh and I am your master teacher at Vedantu. So guys, here we are going to have the discussion of KVPY 2018 S6 Part 1 Mathematics. So guys, I'm just going to pick one of the very wonderful illustration and guys, we're going to have a discussion about the solution. Okay. So let me just quickly show you the question, bacho. So as you can see on the screen, it says let x square is equal to 4ky k positive be a parabola with vertex A and let BC be its latus rectum, and the next statement says an ellipse with center on BC touches the parabola at point A and cuts BC at points D and E such that BD is equal to DE is equal to EC, and where B, D, E, C in the order, right? The question says the eccentricity of the ellipse is, options are A 1 by root 2, B 1 by root 3, C root 3 root 5 upon 3 and D is like root 3 by 2. So guys, again if you'll ask me about this question, guys, if you can plot the geometry, it can help you a lot in understanding the whole scenario, what exactly is going on. Otherwise, if you just try to read this question, it seems as if it's a bit difficult one, right? But obviously on plotting the geometry, it's going to ease out your calculation and your understanding about this question. Okay, so let me just quickly show you the diagram and let's just have the solution, bacho. Guys, just try to observe it. X square is equal to 4ky is an opening upwards parabola. Okay, and in this case, if you'll ask me what is the length of the latus rectum, guys, I'll say length of the latus rectum with respect to the parabola is like 4k. First point is this, which is actually the length of BC also. I hope all of you will agree. Now, as per the question, it is saying, an ellipse with a center on BC, okay, and there is an ellipse having center on BC touches the parabola at point A. The moment they are telling me an ellipse is touching the parabola at point A, with respect to the parabola, guys, I hope all of you will agree it's something like a vertical parabola. Vertical ellipse, right? Ellipse with center on BC touches the parabola at point A. It means that we are having an ellipse like a vertical ellipse in which it is touching the parabola at point A, which means with respect to the ellipse, if I try to see the value of A, it is nothing but K. This is with respect to an ellipse. My point is that, guys, in the ellipse now they want us to find out the eccentricity. So my point is that I know a very beautiful relation between A, B and E, and I am going to utilize that relation. Which relation I'm talking about? I'm going to utilize this relation. B square is equal to A square 1 minus of E square. Okay, all I have to do is to get the values of A and B. I'll put it in this formula, I'll get the value of A. So as per the data, I know the latus rectum, that is latus rectum of the parabola, which is 4k, that is the length of BC. But as per the data that they are telling me that ellipse is touching the parabola at point A, it instantly gives me a feel that the value of A is like K. Okay, now they are also telling me that BC cuts the ellipse. Now this ellipse cuts the BC at point D and E such that BD, DE and EC all are same. The moment they'll say this, I know the complete length BC, that is 4k. So yes, if I want to get the value of DE, it is nothing but BC upon 3, which is 4k upon 3. But I hope if I talk with respect to the ellipse, DE length is nothing but the value of 2b, which is minor axis, right? So obviously the value of 2b is coming out to be like 4k upon 3. On solving, I can easily say the value of B that I will be getting will be like 2k upon 3. So, bacho, I have got the value of B. I have got the length of the CB major axis. Now, all I have to do is to utilize the formula B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. On putting this in this formula, just try to see the value of E square that I will be getting will be like 1 minus B square upon A square. If I put the values E square, it's like 1 minus B square will be like 4k square upon 9. A square will be simply k square. On simplifying, bacho, I hope all of us can see E square comes out to be 1 minus 4 by 9. Hence, the value of E square will be like 5 upon 9. Hence, the value of eccentricity is like under root 5 upon 3. So, this is what is going to get me the answer for this question, which is like the value of eccentricity that we will be getting corresponding to this question is like under root 5 by 3. Now, if you'll ask me the options, the correct option for this particular application, guys, I hope all of you can see the answer root 5 by 3 is matching with option C. Hence, C part is the correct answer. But I'm sure all of you would have understood this question. Okay, and all of you would have enjoyed the solution also. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with more beautiful questions and the solutions. Okay, so see you again बच्चों. Thank you.